600. This is supposed to be 620, but she doesn't have 20 pesos paper bill. How are you? Very good. Thank you for making business. 600 pesos, guys and girls. Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. Day 159 of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. Do the same thing, okay? Earn, save, invest on your own, not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams. Not too good to be true promises, business transactions, or any business proposals. Avoid that. Otherwise, when you got failed, you will feel upset, sad, devastated, mad, angry, disappointed, or whatever ill feelings that you will have. Your dreams will not prosper and will not push you. Beware and be aware. Afterwards, expand and enjoy. Earn and earn, save and save. Bye for now. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge.